back to my channel. My name is Indri Wida Ningsih, and this is my channel.
This time I will present my program that use framework Laravel as backend, and it looks like I'm using AdminLTE. First step, you can open Git bash like this, or command prompt in Windows. You can drag at the docs folder and type the syntax. You can enter. If you experience errors like this, it means you already have a file with the name Sam. By chance, I already installed in that name. Then we open file in our text editor. Here I use Sublime Text Free. You must open like this. If it appears like this, that means our Laravel has been installed properly. We continue to make the model, controller, and migration by opening Git bash and typing the syntax with you must drag new folder, and here my folder is Laravel Indri. You drag and enter, and type the syntax. Like this. Wait a minute. So slowly. Because I already already the model. Also error like this. Next step is before continuing, here I want to explain the function of the model, controller, and migrate. Model is a connection of code in connect your program to the database. Then there is the controller, as the name suggests, the control our program, and there is also migration to create a table in the database and the create a view. How open folder resource? Then there is a view folder and create a new folder child student create index for read or display data from the database. Then there is create for form add data. Then there is edit to display the edit form. There is one more function that is delete, but delete only exit in the controller because there is no need to display other pages. There is another one that is not less important, which the root or which regulates inflow of our program. Here, because I use Laravel, there is a default file from Laravel that is web.php. To make my root, just type in the syntax code resource like this. Mak lah kamu. Ngapa? The syntax udah mulai lu. Terus dia apain?
Kalau misalnya ngekat yang panjang,
you can type the code like this. The syntax will automatically manage all the paths of our program. Until here, our program is actually running, but we use AdminLTE. How I download AdminLTE on the website? I use version 2 if the extract file has been downloaded. Enter the folder and enter the disk copy folder again. After copy, in the public folder, our direction. AdminLTE versi 2.4.8. You can paste in the public this folder, public. In here, GS, EMG, CSS, and Bower component. Like this. Don't forget to copy Bower component in here. Bower component. We can open our program by typing PHP artisan serve copy the code in your browser. And enter. Astaga, I forget to exam. Wait. Like this. And refresh. Ta-da! Like this. If you want to make new data, you must log in. This form for make new data Indri Wida Ningsih. And voila, your data has been to save. If you want to change data, you can press button like this. If you want to delete your data, you can press the button delete. Ta-da!